Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into RBC Royal Bank. RBC Royal Bank is a Canadian multinational financial services company and the largest bank in Canada by market capitalization. If you want to log into RBC, go to your web browser and type in www.rbcroyalbank.com. This is the official website of RBC Royal Bank. Now to log in, tap on the Sign In button at the upper right on the next page. You'll be able to sign into online banking. To do so, type in your client card number or your username. If you forgot your username, then you can recover your username by tapping on Recover Your Username right below the box. On the next field, enter your password. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log in. In case you forgot your password and don't remember it during the signing process, then you can reset your password by clicking on Reset Your Password link provided right below the password field. If you want the site to remember your client card or your username, then check this box over here. But make sure to turn this off if you're using a public phone or a public device, or to enter the credentials, tap on Sign In and you'll be logged into RBC Royal Bank. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till